Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Sunday, May 6th, 2001, 8 am. A lifetime is like a day, with morning and an evening. The evening can benefit from what is acquired in the course of the day. Was it a busy day? Are you satisfied? Have you learned something important from it? Have you made some decisions, some resolutions? In short, see how rich a day can be. A single one can sometimes change the course of your life. The day you made the first move by becoming a basis, did you imagine such a transformation would take place in you in the long run? The time had come. The Master was waiting for you. You were ready to start following this path. Your soul eagerly pushed you to start this process. Your lives changed since that day, silently, quietly, but an inner transformation started almost without your knowledge. Your answering of this appeal led to a new life being offered to you. These beginnings are not always staggering. They can even start without much enthusiasm, and one day you realize that your view of things has changed. Imperceptibly, you became new beings, more conscious of true values, detached from what is useless, factitious. While making a success of your life in other aspects, you wish only to go further in this quest. You have understood that there was the true goal. You went the right way, that of wisdom, and through this choice, you made a great step toward the main thing. Babuji Maharaj. Same day at 10 am. Your anonymity is enviable. Who is doing this kind of work for us? And yet you attach no importance to it as far as your person is concerned. You only consider the fact of being in the service of your beloved. Your motivations are geared towards pleasing Him, satisfying Him through your work and the conduct of your life. However little and unimportant one's work may be, if done out of love for the Master, it is very gratifying. What matters above all is the way you perform it as well as the state of mind governing this activity. To do one's practice correctly and to love Him quite simply is a commendable action. No matter your role in the mission, it is your heartfelt feeling that counts more. Going upstairs at least 3 steps with a heart full of love and gratitude for what He is doing for you is enough to give you joy that is real service. To advance with faith and in surrender, knowing that you chose the right guide, that you trust Him is actual happiness for the aspirant and the master also. The mission is a whole. Each person is at their right place and is doing what is suited to them, being prominent or in obscurity, in the silence of the heart or through public action. Everything has its raison d'etre. Therefore, never feel useless whatever you are doing, even if you are not in the foreground. This fact is not important, believe me. What matters is only the state of mind in which you perform your sadhana and the love which it develops in you. Babuji Maharaj.